Hey guys, welcome back to the final installment of Kit Week. So, of course, we're going to start off with a bucket and a
Hang on. Stop.
Hey, come on, man.
Come on, I'll show you how it's done. Get out of the way, I'll show you how it's done. Look, come on, out of the way. Hello, welcome back to the... No, wrong channel. Today, I'm going to cover some basics with some top quality kit that is much needed in your detailing arsenal. And of course, we're going to start off with a bucket and a grit guard. These are essential. And you're also going to want to grab yourself a cyclone wash mitt from the rag company. Now this is ideal to do a safe contact wash on your vehicle. Now you're also going to want to pair this up with P&S Pearl. Now this leaves nothing behind other than gloss and a beautiful fragrance. And then you're going to finish your vehicle's wash off with the thirsty liquidator drying towel from the rag company. This is an absolute thirsty beast and it will suck up the leftover water drops that may be on your vehicle. Now this is the ideal kit for anybody that just wants to get in there, wash their car and dry it off. And I've been the hairy housewife. You have been great.
And I have been Josh. Thank you guys for watching and for tuning into Kits Week. We'll see you again soon.
Thanks guys, here's a recap of the kits we've launched this week. First up, Clean Buster, a P&S brake buster and iron buster combo that creates a rich foam when used in an IK Foam Pro 12 sprayer. This solution will clean and decontaminate your wheels. Thanks to Jamie the Cleaner for the inspiration. Then we showed you our dual action machine polisher starter kit. This is perfect for the car care enthusiast who wants to get started with paint correction. We followed this with the P&S fabric and carpet deep clean system, a trio of cleaning products that can spot clean and refresh your mats and more. The Kosh Chemi paint correction system came next. This will leave your paintwork ready for a coating of your choice. And of course, the Hairy Housewife's basic wash starter kit. I mean, Josh put it together, but we're nice like that. All of the kits are live on our website and are also available in-store here in Aldershot. Remember, keep it clean and keep it shiny.